In the bright living room, Hussein is immersed in playful glee, embodying pure, unadulterated happiness. Ami and Abu stand in the doorway, their hearts overflowing with love as they watch Hussein's innocent play. Suddenly, the joyous symphony screeches to a halt as the little car crashes, the sound echoing like a thunderclap through Hussein's world. Hussein's face, once radiant with joy, now crumples into a mask of heartbreaking distress as his beloved car lies broken in his hand. Hussein sits on his bed, the broken car a symbol of his despair, his body language reflecting utter defeat. From her desk, Mirha watches Hussein, her eyes filled with empathy, as she quietly observes his sorrow. With silent determination, Mirha gathers her art supplies, a plan forming in her mind to mend more than just a toy. Her brow furrowed in concentration, Mirha begins her meticulous work, her small hands carefully piecing together the shattered car. Love and care infuse every touch as Mirha delicately restores the car, transforming brokenness into a symbol of hope and affection. In the warm glow of the living room, Mirha approaches Hussein, presenting the mended car with gentle care. Hussein's eyes widen, his face lighting up with pure, uncontainable joy at the sight of his beloved toy. He takes the car, now lovingly repaired with tape and paper, his fingers tracing its contours with reverence. Now it's even more special. It's our toy, Hussein whispers, hugging the car tightly to his chest in a moment of pure childlike affection.
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.